Unlock the secrets of YouTube channel SEO. Dive into the world of channel ranking, and strategic use of keywords can supercharge your growth. Ready to take your channel to new heights? Let's get started. In YouTube Studio, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a list of options. Scroll down until you see Settings. Click on it. Within the Settings menu, you'll see various options related to your channel. This includes settings for uploads, community, permissions, monetization, and more. Click on each category to explore the different settings available. For instance, under Upload Defaults, you can set default settings for your videos such as privacy settings, category, tags, etc. Under Channel, you can customize your channel's basic info, advanced settings, and more. When selecting tags for your YouTube channel, it's essential to choose ones that are relevant to your content and can help your videos get discovered by your target audience. Choose tags that directly relate to the topics you cover in your videos. For example, if your channel is about cooking, relevant tags could include recipes, cooking tips, food tutorials, etc. Incorporate specific phrases or long-tail keywords that accurately describe your content. Long-tail keywords are more detailed and have less competition, making it easier for your videos to rank higher in search results. For instance, instead of just using fitness, you might use beginner yoga routines or healthy meal prep ideas. Include different variations or synonyms of your main keywords to capture a broader audience. This can help your videos appear in search results for related terms. For example, if your main keyword is travel vlogs, you could also use adventure travel, travel diaries, or exploring new destinations. Incorporate tags that are specific to your brand or channel name. This can help users find more of your content when searching for your channel specifically. Next, we will use YouTube search bar to get some more tags. The search bar suggests popular search terms in real time, ensuring your channel tags are relevant to what users are actively searching for on YouTube. The search bar provides valuable insights into potential keywords and phrases related to your channel's niche, helping you discover new tag ideas that resonate with your audience. You can identify specific long-tail keywords through the search bar, which are often less competitive and can attract targeted viewers interested in your content. Incorporating relevant keywords discovered through the search bar can improve your channel's visibility in search results, making it easier for users to find and engage with your content. Our next resource is ChatGPT. We utilize ChatGPT to streamline our YouTube channel tag search process. By generating relevant keywords and analyzing trends, ChatGPT assists in identifying optimal tags for maximizing video discoverability. This efficient approach ensures our content aligns with user interests, ultimately enhancing our channel's visibility and engagement on YouTube. Comparing keywords from both YouTube's search bar and ChatGPT in an Excel sheet allows for comprehensive analysis. By identifying overlapping keywords, spotting gaps, and evaluating keyword performance metrics, we optimize tag selection for enhanced video visibility and audience engagement, maximizing our channel's growth potential. YouTube's advanced settings offer intricate controls for customizing channel visibility, monetization, and content distribution. Features include scheduling video premieres, managing channel permissions, setting ad formats, and restricting video access. Utilizing these settings strategically enhances audience targeting, revenue generation, and overall channel management on the platform. Adding default titles, descriptions, and tags offers several benefits for YouTube channel management. Firstly, it saves time and effort by automatically applying preset information to new uploads, ensuring consistency across content. Secondly, it optimizes SEO by embedding relevant keywords into every video, enhancing discoverability and search rankings. Additionally, it reinforces branding and messaging by standardizing titles and descriptions to reflect the channel's identity. This practice also improves audience engagement by providing viewers with consistent, informative metadata, increasing their understanding of the video's content and encouraging them to watch, like, and share. Overall, default settings streamline workflow, boost SEO, and strengthen channel identity, contributing to sustained growth and success. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful or entertaining. And if you want to stay updated with more awesome content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our growing community. Your support means the world to us.